Okay, so today we're going to check out the Monument of the States. It's in downtown Kissimmee. It's a lakefront park. No admission. We'll go see what's out here. And so one of our favorite things to do is to find the little hidden gems in towns. There was a time when my kids were young, and we had broken down outside of a small town, and that was one of their greatest memories, was just going around the town and meeting people and checking things out. So this is the Monument of the States. It says it was commemorated right after World War II, or no, maybe it's that crew. I don't know. We're going to find it. We went back to double check. It was the Monument of the States was commemorated after the attack on Pearl Harbor as a symbol of American unity. So that was pretty cool to know. And this is the Monument of the States. Let's see. We've got. There's Ohio, Hawaii. There's another Ohio there. Indiana, Tennessee. Oh, there's West Virginia way up there. Missouri. Let's see if I can get a little.
Florida over here.
Look, 1941. State of Oklahoma. That's, I guess, 1941. It's got all of the governors, it looks like, on the front here. Let's see if I can step out a little bit more. Oh, look. Got some names, I guess, donators here. Army Forces Training Field. But it's massive here in the middle of Kissimmee. New Mexico governor, 1950. Most of these are 1941. Oh, this one says Africa here, so I guess it brings in some Switzerland. Absolutely fascinating. Honor Roll cement donors of 1941. We have Spain. Pacific Ocean Stone, England, Belgium,
New York,
Canada's up here, yeah. Greece. Fascinating. What are the text here? I can see. Oh. Presented to Kissimmee, state of Kissimmee, Florida, from Walt Disney Studios. This rock here, I guess everyone just kind of donated stones to build this massive structure in the middle of the city. Monument sponsored by Kissimmee All-State Tourist Club, 1929, 1943.
Victory Walk in 1943.
Oh, I'm shadowing here. Dedicated by Senator Todd Pepper, 1943. This is staff only. Let's go see. We're going to get out a little further. Get it again. Now we're going to go see what else is around here. It looks like lots of little monuments, and there's a beautiful lake down here. So, and lots of cute little restaurants downtown. So I have to grab lunch. See this? How's this? Unity House, Monument States, Ruby Plaza, and the Veterans Lawn. We shall see. It's very pretty out here. Definitely somewhere to bring a little ball or something.
Mm-hmm.
Here's some kind of house. I wonder if you can go in here.
I think that's the same building.
But at the back it said, oh, we got birds.
It's staff only.
Staff only. Oh, not open to the public. Okay. So this is not open. It's here. So, oh, here's some more birds.
Over the place.
Hi guys. Look, they're not even scared.
almost like there's
We've got our 7 a.m. Oh, there's a little cafe over there. Little window concession standing. All of this is one big sprinkler system. Oh, look at the lighthouse over here. Oh, can we get to it? I think we can get to it. Yeah, there's people over there. So, yeah, I guess you're getting out through here. Oh, I love lighthouses. And look at all the birds. Oh, and squirrels. I see my squirrels up there. Oh, so we have the lighthouse walk, another playground, rain garden, and the marina. This is a large park. To have 2 playgrounds is pretty cool. It's really pretty over there. It smells pretty. Uh-huh. Oh, there's a splash pad over there, okay. Splash pad, marina, rain garden. Oh, I see the splash pad right there. Yeah, we're going to the lighthouse. Alligators and snakes in area, always remember. This is Florida. Ooh, let's see if we can see this. Lake, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. The lake is 19,000 acres. Fascinating. Okay.
Oh, we would destroy that name.
Yeah, not even going to try to pretend. Oh, it's so pretty over in here, though.
That doesn't mean we're going to look it up when we get home
And
see
try to
how it's
pronounce
pronounced.
Sure, the wind is probably messing with the sound, but it's okay. It feels nice. You can hear the birds in there. A bunch of them. Look at that.
And most people wouldn't even think this is out here.
No, you wouldn't.
And they never come and look at it.
Community Lighthouse. Chirps in there.
The little lone bird sitting up there.
It's pretty. Let's go check out the rain garden. Suppose we were heading towards a rain garden. Oh, it's windy. You can see there's a cute little splash pad over there for the kiddos. Somewhere nice to cool them off. That's not going to cost you anything. Okay, what's this say? Why a rain garden? A rain garden is a man-made planet depression created to absorb water runoff from hard surfaces. Okay. Provide an attractive method for reducing pollutants that enter the drain systems Use of native plants also contribute to urban habitats for native butterflies, birds, and beneficial insects. Okay. Okay, makes sense. And there's the other playground. I think that's the end of the rain garden. Now we know what that is. Looks like we're coming up on the second playground over here by our vehicle. A few little piers to walk out on. Probably a stage. Maybe. Like this playground over here has shade. Many of them don't. The other one I don't think has shade over it. I love the bird sounds.
Yes.
Is that an owl in the middle of the day? It is. Where are you at, pretty bird? It definitely sounds like an owl. It's a Lakefront Park. Ooh, a wedding lawn. That'd be a pretty place. Look at that. That would be a pretty wedding, wouldn't it? Super bright and fun over here. Yeah, they got some nice shaded spots for the parents. Oh, they have the little wedding set up over there too. Super cute.
Very nice.
Okay, so that was the Monument of States in Kissimmee and the Lakefront Park. The park is gorgeous. Definitely a couple playgrounds, a splash pad, lots of picnics, concession areas, plenty of shade. So if you're just looking to get out for a day, something to do,
Picnic.
definitely check it out. So, all right. See you later.